Everyone, welcome to week 6 of 15. After this week, 40% of the semester will be complete and you will have finished 50% of the course units. So please keep up the hard work. You guys are all doing great and just make sure to reach out if you need anything. So for this week, you guys are going to be doing lesson 7 with 7A, B, and C. You'll have your unit 2 lesson 7 quiz, which you get unlimited attempts at, and you will be doing your unit 2 wrap up. Please remember you get 2 attempts and this is timed, so once you open it, you do need to complete it. So make sure you guys are giving yourself enough time to do this in one sitting. If you want to review before your second attempt, just reach out and I'm happy to meet with you guys. Also, make sure you're working on your mid-semester project. This is going to be due by Monday the 27th at 11:59, but if you want to turn it in early, that's perfectly fine. So again, this covers units 1 and 2. So after you complete your wrap-up, if you want to keep working on your project, I'll happily take that early, and I'm happy to meet and answer any questions you guys have about that as well. The last thing you guys have to do is upload your week 6 notes. And that's all we have for week 6. So I hope you guys all have a great week.